Welcome to This Week in San Diego Force Baseball. This week saw the Force take the first steps for another championship run. A talented group of potential players showed up for the first day of tryouts, hoping to be a part of the San Diego Force's winning tradition. Here are some of the sights and sounds of This Week in San Diego Force Baseball.
Okay, all of you have an equal opportunity to make the team. The guys with some of the hats are veteran guys. If you have any questions, ask them. They'll tell you exactly how we run and operate things. And I want to make sure it's really clear from the start. This is not a beer drinking league, okay? You guys that make the team, we're out to win and win the championship and win the World Series. We do anything and everything we can to get you guys better ball players, give you the best coaches, the best arrangements we can. We run it much like a minor league team. And I know you guys have come from a lot of different coaching backgrounds and everything. I don't care anymore. When you walk on this field, you're a Force player, and that's what we do. Okay, so what we do goes. So you might as well get used to it. And you know, the coaches will do anything they can to make you better. They're black and white. If you ask them a question, they're going to be blunt with you. If they don't.
Tryouts continue Saturday, May 25th for both college and professional players at Serra High School in San Diego, California. For more information on how you can be part of the San Diego Force or Freedom Professional Baseball League, go to sdforcebaseball.com or freedomprofessionalbaseballleague.com. Make sure you stay tuned next week to San Diego Force TV for more This Week in San Diego Force Baseball.